Lane Rickabaugh, and today I'm going to be talking about how a circle will look in Taxicab geometry. So one main thing that we know about circles is that a line can be drawn from the center to the outside of the circle. And these lines that are drawn from the center to the outside of the circle are going to be called radii. One thing that should be known about radii, I'm going to draw one right here, is that all radii are going to be equidistant to one another in their length, because they're all going from the center to some point on the outside of a circle. So there you go. So keep that in mind, that all of these radii are going to be equidistant in length. So let's move on down here. So what we have here is, well, it's a square, but it's also a taxicab circle. So here we have our center point like we did at the regular circle that we had above. And you can't really see that point. That point's not really coming up into the focus, but it is completed in points all the way around this square. So what we're going to do is we're going to count how many blocks it is for each of these points to make sure that it is equidistant. So first we're going to go 1, 2, 3 blocks up, 1, 2, 3 blocks that way, 1, 2, 3 blocks that way, and 1, 2, 3 blocks that way. And right now all of the lines from the center are equidistant. Now what you might be wondering is, well, what about these points that aren't going to have straight lines going to them? Well, I'll show you. Let me pull out a nice blue. So the way that you're going to show that these points are also equidistant from the center is you're going to go something like 1, 2, 3. Think about it like how you're driving in a taxicab geometry. You might be going 3 blocks this way, or you might be going 1, 2, 3 blocks to get to this location. Same distance. 1, 2, 3 blocks to get to that distance. Equidistant from the center. 1, 2, 3 blocks equidistant to there. And I'll do this one last. 1, 2, 3 blocks equidistant. And there you have it.